Average Joe got a package from Brandon Wilbur, which he's very open with his name. That I call him B Willie. That's right, B Willie. He's the dude that rubbed the coin on his nips that time. And it's definitely a slab. I sure as hell don't remember what's in here though. But let me open her up and let's find out together. Can't do this one-handed, so I'm going to pause, and I will be back. Okay, back again. B Willie always does free shipping. That's one of the reasons I buy from him. His name is BWillB212 if you're interested on Whatnot. Obviously paid $45 for this slabbed coin. Still don't know what it is. All right, let me cut this plastic off and let's find out what it is. All right, there's our answer. It's a Morgan dollar, 1885 ICG, but whatever. MS62, not a top quality, top flight coin, but you know what? Let's look it up. Let's go to the gray sheet. Okay, if you guys are into buying and selling, collecting US coins, you really need to have the Gray Sheet app. Costs you about $27 a month, but it's an invaluable tool. You can look up your Morgan dollar, any US coin you can check out here. Oh, went past it. Let's go back. 1885. 1885. Where are you, baby? There you are. Not Proof Like, not Dimple. Your regular 1885. All right, I clicked on it a few times. For some reason, it was... Oh, there we go. Okay. It's a little slow today, a little slow. Let's scroll down to MS62. There it is. 58 wholesale, 80 retail, so you can figure you're probably going to get somewhere in between there. All right, there you go. There's your gray sheet. $58 wholesale. I paid $45 for it. It's in an ICG slab, but you know what? Nice looking coin. Can't beat it. All right, another Morgan in the collection.
In the meantime, let's start with MS62 Morgan, 1885. It's up for $1. And we're off. Average Joe's in at $20. Nice looking coin. Joe's in at 42 with 5 seconds left. On a slab Morgan, 1885 MS62. Oh my God. 1 second left. Joe. Ooh, Joe, you stole that. So cheap. Anything under 50 is stealing this. Okay, should be around 55, 60. 1 more second. Joe taking it down. Thank you, Joe.
If you're on Whatnot, check out B Willie. He's pretty cool, sells stuff at a fair price, and usually includes shipping.